What day is it today?
It's Saturday.
Close. Monday.
Monday. It's Monday. More. And we're
More,
up in
please.
Snowshoe Hairs. And we're having a pretty good day. And the skiing is a little bit off-roaded though.
The skiing's awful. Why?
I said a little bit off-roaded.
Oh, off-roading?
And my brother and me are having a drink of wine. We're drinking wine. At least it's kind of kid wine.
Just in case anybody has questions.
And we're having a great time.
And why do you guys get that special sparkling drink today?
Because it's my brother's. Because it's Kenji Wilde's birthday. He's turning 2 and he's my brother.
That's right. Kenji, say happy birthday to me. More, please.
Awesome.
Yeah, finish what you have first before we have more. Boy, you like that, huh? Kenji, it's your birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Kenji, can you look at the camera?
Happy birthday to you.
Kenji, can you look at the camera?
Happy birthday, dear
Kenji.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday,
Is that
dear
a smile?
Kenji. Happy birthday to you.
Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye to the camera.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Cheers.